Gjógv is a little pearl of a village at the northeastern tip of Eysturoy in the Faroe Islands. Gjógv means gorge and takes its name from the unique ravine next to the village. Gjógv was one of the best open boat fishing villages in Faroe, for the gorge itself formed a little natural harbour, in and out of which the small boats could be rowed. From there, the boats could be drawn up to safety at the top of the gorge, where they couldn't be reached and smashed by the surf during storms. Today, however, Gjógv is first and foremost one of the most popular destinations for both Faroe visitors and foreign tourists. No wonder, for on the way there to the west of the village, you'll pass the highest mountain peaks in the country. Around the village, visitors can really enjoy the spectacular Faroe nature in all its grandeur and beauty. Gjógv offers the opportunity to go on the most exciting walks in its vicinity, either with local guides or on your own. And you don't have to go very far to experience thrilling and breathtaking vistas. The village also has a hostel, Gjógv. It's not only one of the prettiest guest houses in Faroe, it's also situated in a remarkably beautiful natural setting. Here you'll find both good service and all the necessary facilities for almost any occasion. In this cozy, peaceful and captivating environment, the days are all yours. The landing place at the head of the gorge, which in the past was the vital gateway to the rich fishing grounds immediately west, north and east of Faroe, is today sometimes used as a concert hall. Here you see the Faroe group Orca, whose homemade instruments and intriguing mixture of ethnic and global tones resonate unbelievably well in this majestic cathedral of rock.